going to make bread today. If you think you can't make bread, yes you can. It's easy. I'm going to do 3.5 cups of self-rising flour. I've already got 2 in here now. Let me put you down here where you can see. 2 cups right now. I'm doing 3.5 cups. Self-rising. 3.5 cups of self-rising. There we go. Teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of salt. Well, I better measure. What do I say? Teaspoon of salt. I got a half teaspoon. So we'll do 2 of these. That'll be a teaspoon. Salt. 3.5 cups of self-rising flour. Teaspoon of salt. And milk. I don't have any milk. So I'm going to use powdered milk. Let me give this a stir. And I'm going to guesstimate at that. I'm probably going to do like maybe a cup of powdered milk. Let's do a half a cup. Half a cup of powdered milk. And water. This is 2 cups of water, so I'm going to start with that. You want it like a batter consistency. Oh, let me preheat my oven. 350. 350 oven. I'll stir that. Till it looks like a batter. A little bit more water. Then I'm going to add some everything bagel. What is that? Everything bagel. Everything bagel seasoning. I'm not measuring that. I'm just going to put it in there so it looks good. Alright, looks like I'm going to be doing the whole 2 cups of water. That's what it looks like. Or just about it. Not quite 2 cups. Let's see. Yep. Have about that much left. Probably almost a half a cup left. So. 1.5 cups of water. 1.5 cups of water. Half a cup of dry milk, or you could use milk, regular milk, if you have it. Just make it look like a batter. Put enough milk in it to make it look like a batter. That looks pretty darn good. 3.5 cups of self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of powdered milk, 1.5 cups of water, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I might have said that. That looks good. Now, everything baked. And I'm just that looks pretty darn good. Maybe even a little bit more. Now I got my oven 350, and it takes almost an hour to bake this. Check it after like 50 minutes. Right, we don't want to work it too much. Yep, that's what you want. Now I'm going to set this out of the way, and I'm going to butter my dish. Get my hands cleaned off. I'm just going to pick me up some butter or oil, whatever you want. I'm going to butter it. You can spray it, whatever. Just put something in your dish. Keep it from sticking. Get it buttered real good. That'll be good on the bread too. Oh yeah. Yes. Buttery, buttery, buttery. All right. Now we're going to pour this into this. That's going to be good, y'all. I hope. Check it after 50 minutes. It's going to take a while. Trying to get all that goodness. Just give it a jiggle. 350 degrees. Yes. I'm gonna set my timer for like 50 minutes. Then I'm gonna check it. Then I will bring y'all back. I ended up leaving this bread in there for an hour. It does not look pretty, but it's probably going to taste pretty. We're going to find out. I don't know what happened, but it'll probably taste good. I hope it does. I'm going to turn this out on a cooling rack. Attempt to. Oh yeah. That's why you butter your dish or oil it or whatever. That's hot. Hot. I'm going to put this to the side because I will get burnt if I don't. I'm going to cut me a slice. I probably should wait till it cools. But I'm not. I'm going to put me some butter on it. I'm going to camera's gone crooked again. Lord have mercy. That's hot. Oh, there's my diamond. About an hour, y'all. Mm-hmm. Whew. We're going to taste. Put that back on that cool rack. Where's my... Smear some butter on there. You can see the little seeds and stuff. What's it called? Everything bagel. Bring you back up here. Pretty good, y'all. That's pretty good. It's ugly, but it's good. I got the recipe. You can see it. You might have to tweak it the way you want it. Add whatever you want. Spices, herbs. I love bread. Crunchy. Crunchy. I like crunchy. Soft inside. It's a dense bread. But it's tasty. I wish I had added more. Everything bagel. Wish I had added more. Not bad, y'all. Not bad. Try it. I still make some good grilled cheese sandwiches. Yep. I could about eat another slice. Look at the steam. That's good, y'all. Try it. Anybody can make bread. It's easy. You see the recipe. Just make it look like a pancake batter. Bake it 350 for, I did do an hour. Your ovens might differ. Everybody's oven's different. Mine's old. But anyway, try this. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you, subscribers. Have a good day.